Okay, guys, let's go. Lesson one. We are in Mod 2. So today we're going to be multiplying whole numbers and multiplying multi-digit numbers by multiples of 10. So let's do this. So I look at this first one, number one. It just says, 23 times 20. So they want you to think, okay, so if I had 23 ones and I got two tens, because that's two tens basically. So that would be how many? Well, 23 times 2 is 46 tens. So 46 tens is really what? 460. Okay? Um, Same thing here. So now we have 23 tens times 2 tens. So what is that going to give me? So, well, we know that's 46, right? Because 23 times 2, now tens times tens, that's 100. So it's like 46 hundreds. So the answer to this would be 4,600. Okay? Because 10 times a 10 equals 100. All right? And you get the basic fact. We're using like basic facts here. All right? Let's look at the next one. Determine if these equations are true. Now, defend your answer using knowledge of place value community. Now, ideally, I want you to do these without doing any like full-on multiplication or anything like that. Just use what you know. Well, if I have 6 tens, well, 6 tens is equal to 60. Now, this is telling me it's equal. So if I have 2 tens, well, that's 20. And if I have 3 tens, that's 30. Well, what do I know? Well, 2 times 3 is 6. This is 10 times 10, which is 100. So this is equal actually to 600. Now this is not true. So I say it's false because 6 tens is equal to 60 while 2 tens times 3 tens is equal to 600. Okay, because 2 tens is 20, 3 tens is 30. Okay, there you go. Now, here is find products. Show your thinking. Look at A. A is your model. Okay, so 45 times 3 is, well, what's 40 times 3 is 120. 15 times 3 is 15. So you got 135. So that's like our basic fact right there. So now if I do 45 times 30, well, I'm going to do 45 times 3, because that's kind of like our basic fact, right? So then I know that's 135. So then I do 135 times 10, because that's this, and I get 1,350. Now here, again, basic factors. 45 times 3 is 135. And now I have a 10 times a 10, and that's 100. So now I got 135 times 100 is equal to 135 and then 0, 0. So it's 13,500. Last one, same idea. We know 45 times 3 is 135. Now this is a 10 times 100. So 10, 100 is 1,000. So 135 times 1,000 is 135,000. Okay? Almost done, guys. And last one. It says the Canadian side of Niagara Falls has a flow rate of 600,000 gallons per second. How many gallons would flow over the falls in 1 minute? Well, I know that in 1 minute, it's 60 seconds. Right? So I got to basically do 600,000 times 60. Well, what are my basic numbers here? I got 6 and a 6. So that's 36. And then this is 100,000 times 10, which would be 1 million. So 36 times 1 million is, my friends, 36 million, no naked numbers, gallons per minute. It's a lot of water. All right, guys, look at that, just under 5.5 minutes. So have a good time. Look at the flow chart. Behave yourself, please. Do not mess around for me. All right, bye.